Yo, yo, yo. The green streak continues. 4 green days in a row. 10 winning trades in a row. We are absolutely on a mini heater. Today we took one trade, one win on MU. We got a nice Bear 180 setup. Same setup as yesterday, same result. $200 in an hour? How about $200 in 15 minutes? Cue the intro. Hello, one, hello, all. Appreciate you for pulling up. I'm Ben Seals, aka Solo Trader of Beneficial Trading, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are continuing our 4-day, 10 trade green streak. We took one trade on MU, ending the day up $211. It was a good trade, a great setup, excellent follow through, and an awesome way to continue the momentum through the week. So before we get started, I just ask that you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post a recap. And also leave a comment in the comment section. And without further ado, let's trade. All right, let's get it. So we're going to be starting today off on MU, the only trade that we took today, the only stock that we traded. As you can see here, I am bringing in the video a little bit late, probably about a 2-minute candle late. I did go ahead and add enter the trade on this bear elephant bar here. So I was watching this from the open. We got a big green bar up. And as soon as this big red bar started taking this big green bar out, I did jump in after it broke the previous day's close. So around the 35 level, 30 around the 30 level here, and with 100 shares, and I did add as it broke down through the whole dollar of 109. So that's going to bring my average to 109.17. And what I'm looking at here is, first of all, on our trading time frame, I see this nice bear 180, which is again our favorite play to play. So we do want to get heavy in this position. Also, I'm seeing space between the 200 and the 200 and the 20 moving average on the 15-minute chart, as well as the space between the 200 and the 20 period moving average on a 5-minute chart. So I'm seeing that this has the potential to come down here to about 107 without any resistance, right? So I'm really looking forward to this thing breaking this 200 on the 2-minute chart and pushing down to prior resistance on the bigger time frames, right? So I'm in. One thing that's going on here, I should be adding up here, trying to get my position a little bigger. However, we do have quite a bit of risk on this trade, risking about 150 bucks already. So I didn't want to have too much risk while the trade was going against me, since this bar was so big. However, as it started to break the 200 moving average again, I did go ahead and add to 300 shares. So as we spoke about yesterday on these bear 180 plays, I do want to have bigger than normal share size, and we have that here. We have 300 shares. We prefer 400, but 300 is fine. I did take my first profit take around that 57 level. That gives us 50 cents a profit on that first profit take. And now we're looking for follow through on this. We're looking for a well complete here. This was a green bar ignored. There does seem to be some resistance around this 40 and 50 level, so buyers are coming in. So Right now, we're just holding the play. We have 200 shares at 86, so I'm letting this run against me. The stop is going to be above this high here, in the 20s and 30s. Um, Not really ideal. However, I do have confidence in this play since I see this over here on the 5 minute chart looking like a red to green, looking like a green bar ignored. So that's why I didn't stop our break even. I'm just letting the play work and looking for a green bar ignored on the 5 minute, so we can move back down towards the 107 level. So I'm letting this play work out. Have 200 shares left in, and it's just dancing around, consolidating sideways. This is a sideways consolidation. Um, Another thing I would say is I'm not adding here because we don't know if this is the top of the pullback yet. It's seeming to have some resistance down here. This is a doji in a doji, so I'm not. I don't have enough confidence to go ahead and get max position size this close to the 200 moving average, but I do have enough confidence to hold it, especially since I do have $90 booked. Um, I do have $90 booked, so I'm willing to, risk a break even trade on here, up here, risk the $90 profit, and but I'm not willing to risk much more than that, right? Um, so so right now, just letting the trade work. We're looking for this to break the low of this 40 level here and give us more downward momentum. So that's a good sign there. However, these dojis means less because it is ranging sideways, right? Which is good. This is a bear flag, right? This is a bear flag. You can see that the highs and the lows are getting smaller. It's not making new highs or new lows, and it's getting tighter in here. So it's getting ready to break pretty soon here, and we're looking forward to break to the downside. If it could break 40, then we're pretty sure that it's going to continue to the downside, and boom, there it is, flushes down. I did take some out there in the 20s. Um, it's okay. I mean, it is coming down to this doji here, this wick here. So I did get a little bit nervous and decided to book just a little bit more profit just in case it doesn't continue down. Um, so I didn't hold fast in my 15 level here. Just moved it up slightly just to make sure that I book some profit in case it double bottoms. But now we gotta looking for 108. So right before 108, we did get out there. As you can see, $211 profit, in just under, or just over about 10 minutes here, 15 minutes from the open. So great profit here, great trade, um, and that's gonna be it for the day. So we're gonna end it there. Ending the day up $211. Continuing our green day streak, making it 4 days in a row, 10 green trades in a row. We're definitely on a mini heater here. We got in, we got green, we got out. I did stay in the market for another 15 to 30 minutes just looking around, and I didn't find anything interesting. I do seem to be grasping the strategy at the open. However, the next step in my evolution to becoming a successful trader is going to be just to maintain that discipline, patience, and focus at the open, and also roll that over into different plays that I can take after the first 30 minutes of the day has passed. I do have a few different ideas on how we're going to accomplish that. Playing in zones and such, playing wicks inside of wicks. Also playing mostly reversals from wide ranges. But we'll get more into that on next week. This week, we're just focusing on staying green from the open and mastering our opening strategy. So that's going to be all for me. Go ahead and like the video if you like the video. Hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell just so you can be notified every time that I post a video on the path to becoming a successful day trader. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.